Good evening, everybody. Shout out to everybody too, especially my mom in Ghana and my family. Uh, Today, I want to speak my town language, my country language, Twi. Although I can't speak it well, but I will try. You know, my own language is Ghana, but Ghana is not. If you speak Ghana, people cannot, all the whole Ghana cannot hear you. But today I will try and speak Twi. If you are in the village safe, you can hear me. Yeah. Ghana for me chiamuna. Pese minka blaster ball no asem, football there e depend football ye nyina ya ball nda me ma ball pa ma in Africa no me can say ma almost to say 5 countries first division, my tasty first division, 5 countries. Even Ghana, obi a ohwe me bia onim me. You understand me? Onim me pa say me. I'm a good footballer, but luck. Onipa oni buafo a wasem ye din, na wasem ye mobo. You understand me? Ene mi si me kan bibi kakra. Ewo sa ball a ball Egypt no. Media, for my own view, ball dear. And yes, I am blaming maybe Kwesiapia, blaming, you understand me? It's a game. But although changes, no, anka, I say, on changing them. Anka, young coach Kwesiapia, I say, on changing game, no, them. At least, all the 3 changes, I say only 3 changes. Maybe can't only pa or be change but anka so only changes. You understand me? Because player to say Asamoah Gyan wo ho. Ena Kojo Asamoah. Enti sa players no ena achu. Actually, I mean, on say ball. Men for one, maybe you'll be about 1 match. 1 year, dear, maybe 1 shinier. Na next match, won't fix him. Next match, maybe won't fix him, but we man have them to say maybe 20 minutes to go. Obeman have them. Na still no. Obo say obem 20 minutes to go now. Obo say maybe obeba with me be shiny. But maybe obi wom wa bre. Untumi change no. Coach say won't take own decision. Maybe to me blame Kwesiapia because to be a coach, my brother, to be a coach is not easy. And that from cry to be a coach. Because at times you are under pressure. Pressure no does. Pressure will support a suit. Pressure will play a suit. Pressure will government suit because among for obia pese or can be na coaching here. No, it is not like that. Because over Europe, it's not like that. Omu jai coach no as a man. Now why ye na juma? Say what you say. Coach now why ye na juma? Say coach no say onu oye error. Any fault. Say fault be bad ye ni dia. Enu na ye friend saying Europe for you. But Africa no ye hu say obi a supporter. And that is not good for us. We have to leave the coach to do his work as a coach. me no me problem ba ko a me wo ma coach no say changes are maybe first half first half akọ second half no ye sha say 10 minutes na I say on change all three we change they say on change na game no be din bio on say microphone no omu ya changes fanatic no kra on say omu change goalkeeper enye say goalkeeper no abre o okay onya in fact kakra wo ni I you understand me but omu change goalkeeper because omu nim say sa goalkeeper no obetumi aye bibi enti na o change goalkeeper no say what I say me pese Ghana for nyina though is we lose and it is very sad, you know, as country like Ghana free say, you understand me, it's very painful, but you say Ghana for nyina omunya butre omunya butre na yentumi inform bibi yentumi create yentumi ye adwuma no biom I bet me the akọ anim because one course mimi ball course wo baby a liberty ye omo stadium say wo your friends and Dansoman mimi ball course was some years ago your friend in Manchester from years ago about I can't say from coach omo friend me Greater Accra ye ko boy your friends say wo complex na sa bribe ya Greater Accra ye ji bribe Greater Accra ye ji bribe we mi bo manimbo we mi ba manimbo we ni bo obia ye obiba mpeni phone say what ya say and you say it's not good. You enjoy football, man football. You understand me? You enjoy football, man football. You kosu nyina every sa in same way. Ubon so be popo. But obedru baby no ombeka say on tua baby. Chale one tua say yemfa unko say under 17 starlet. One tua say unko European yes how Europe wouldn't boa ye ni wuko wouldn't ball no boa ye di ubeko but Ghana wouldn't bokra on pese wo untia bribe what bribe no ahin obetumi agi omo yes I say in Ghana football you understand me it's not good omo yi bribe no free football no Ghana so on say football in year omo yi bribe no and free football wo Ghana no omo build course no biom me course na ehia me omo build course you understand me omo build course biom Steve na pia mu nyina omo free course say what I say omu nyina boys ni nyina omu ajai ball mbon omu free course sa Ecuador 95 ni nyina omu free course say what I say player to say Kojo Asamoah wo bench without doing anything or shot ball Kojo Asamoah or ball Inter ni itaye na me wo minim Kojo Asamoah minim ade obetumi aye you understand me say Kojo Asamoah apra financial game obetumi aye bibi Asamoah jam onu woman na obehye create chance no man obehye you understand me chale ball say ye bon kakra o Europe obi bo 45 and obi po 30 na another striker abebo kakra no dey support na force no mo dey atumi aye force no dey share because what bread And I said, game is not forced. What me for? Because next game wo. I said, "Uma onipa o wechiri no. Woman chance. Woman chance, my brother. Won't say obi bia. Ono beba be bossing. Obochen wa, which means oyade chen. Oyade chen wa, I say wonsu ye juma. You have to work for it. Obi bobo chen wa, wonsu be ye training. Ama wa be bochen. Sir, you understand me? Enti meaning say temper, Ghana for temper. Obia temper pass through. Obia discouraged of this can lose. You understand me? But me say obia anti ball is not the end of this life, no. Enye end. You bet me aye bibi fufuro biom. Ama ya back to our feet. Ama ya back to our feet because Ghana we a football nation. Yen to me massa Guinea-Bissau neke team kitin Tunisia crying level. Tunisia omunye level ba kunkra omunye level. Because nowadays no football na change asisa. Maybe Ghana of yesterday is not Ghana of today. We have to work. We have to try to do something. We have to create. We have to fight. Not only football, athlete. Me who Ghana athlete bia. Maba Europe me who Ghana athlete bia. Oh yeah. Me share sa athlete for because me a fan of athlete. You understand me? But me who Ghana me bia oye to me o wa gidin wa athlete first. Obe to me one or two people be on ya there. But nowadays no. Yeah, free sports no. Ghana as a nation no, apart from your resources no, ye be no. Sports is part of us. Yet you say Brazil for, you say Brazil. Sports. Ama ene Ghana ye apeja yendin wa kosuru. You understand me? At times with the as a emergency say odi ni ho abehye boxing mu. Say oboa boxing mu nso akosuru. Because we say small boxers are more Ghana, try some big titles, world titles. And that is very, very, very good. My brother, that is good. I'm happy for our country. You understand? We don't have to leave everything to go like that. Mie Nkreni, mie Ashantini, mie Dagombani, mie Sisala mie Afantini mie. My brother ye nipa baakun. Ese yen do yen hu. Eti se in fact ye say yen tina. Ti se obi ni nua. Obi ni nua kra, obi ni mami kra. Ntokwa tumi ba. You understand me? Ntokwa ba after no on be resolve the issue. Blaster no say problem mo blaster mo problem boom. Enu na ye tension eda yen su no. Boom. Enu na ye tension eda yen so I dey call Egypt no. Because one omo uko no asamoajan na omo si ontumi nko say omo agi captain free ni nsem. You understand me? Sanye manu na enye good anka ese omo ma asamoajan captain no onfa nko Egypt no se oba na omo abe. You understand? No omo abe jai. Say asamoajan what try. You understand? You tried a lot for Ghana. You see, and you are a good goals scorer. The number one goal scorer in Ghana, yen Mubida. You understand me? Why are there? Enti, I say man sa respect no. Ghana for I say man sa Samoan respect no, last respect because players more than 10 or me to me can cry. Say Ghana for be jack player kwan a jack player no kwan ni sorrow. Ma, it's not good. Sa again say yen jai. No. I say yen jai because Europe no, I say yen sua niam bi. Enye sika kwan enye, I say yen sua niam bi. Yen sua niam bi. Sika kwa yen nimpe because we are too I don't know how to say. Like Kinsey, all koni sorrow, appear, all koni sorrow. Why na omo dosu, omo ko ni sorrow. Player beba, maybe ebe unu wa Europe ha. Obeka se ombo ma Europe ha, owa unu ti ya unu wa Italy ha. Ombo ma Italy, but obebo ma Ghana. Di ebe na ye fe chance a player be pu baby a ye wo no say obebo ma ni origin baby a o free baby a ni papa free no e ho na o pese o mbebo ball no o banso a problem uben obo 1 2 3 matches or 1 year 2 years pam no mo the problem attack him. Kevin Boateng nyina good players ombetumi abua Ghana muntari nyina still na ombetumi abobo no because bibi omumu still omu African Cup we mu a ombetumi the force esiemu so understand it. Still now omutumi be ye ombetumi di aye bibi just say substitute cry no beba obetumi abaye bibi. So what I say enti me blame obia. I don't know how to blame person. Meaning say ejuma bia problem o me kwesi apia no me blame na bit because to be a coach cry no it's not easy job to be a coach. We so be can say you do uko shewa my brother you mistakes no kra kwesi apia de no mistakes be chen your friend is saying. You understand me? We be mistakes no sa until be here bibia I say we have to try and encourage the person. Yeah, my trying condemn too much, sir. My condemn too much. Africa for your pay. Condemn. And yet, Obroni yen idea, sir. Obey. Why yet for to no obey encourage you. Maybe next time we be picky. Next time go out for Leah obey raise you. On him say bibi wo mu obey to me a bibi. So what I say. And I hope the best for Ghana. I hope the best because Ghana is a football country and we have to try. We have to try and raise our football. We have to try and raise our football. See, in